AI is projected to take over 62 million jobs by 2025. At this point, you need to either embrace AI or embrace what's coming with the change. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 really creative ways to use AI to make passive income online. This is stuff that I researched myself using AI, and these are really, really powerful ways to use this new AI revolution to actually get ahead and make passive income and start benefiting from the AI revolution instead of getting left behind. This is going to be a lot of fun. Let's jump right into this video. So I put out this thread on X. If you don't follow me there, it's at Mark Gadala on X. I put out tons of cool stuff here on X before I have time to make these YouTube videos. So definitely give me a follow there if you want to check this stuff out. And while you're at it, like and subscribe to this channel. I do tons of really cool AI stuff. I'm going to be stepping up my game here on YouTube. So if you want to catch the latest and greatest in AI, you want to learn how to make money with AI, definitely subscribe to this channel. The first one I'm going to show you here is AI curated newsletters. This is super, super powerful. Now, I'm using Grok for a lot of these examples. I basically use Grok for almost everything. I really, really love Grok. I love that it has live research, right? So it has access to like X tweets. It also has access to live website data. Like the fastest news information you're going to get online is going to come from X, and it's all plugged directly into Grok. They're releasing 3.5 soon. So definitely Grok is the way to go here. Now, I'm already doing this for several companies. So I do AI work as well. So if you needed any AI work, I have a link in my YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description as well if you wanted to reach out and you need any help with AI stuff. But essentially somebody reached out and said, hey, I want to create an AI generated newsletter. So I created basically just a workflow that generates AI newsletters. And I want to show you how I do this. So you can see here in this example, I basically told the AI, I need you to help me compile a trending news information for today on the crypto world. Then I need you to help me format this into a newsletter. This information should be based on events that happened over the last 1 week, right? So Grok goes out, it does this research, it finds the trending crypto news, right? So this is for crypto, and it gives us a full breakdown. It creates a whole breakdown of what's happening, and then it creates our newsletter here, right? So we can see the subject of the newsletter, the header, here's the crypto roundup, here's the top stories, you get a market snapshot right at the end of it. So really, really cool stuff. And this is super beneficial. So if you're developing a following on social media, or if you want to do that, if you already have a newsletter and you want to just make it a lot easier to use AI, to actually create this content for you, it is super, super powerful stuff. So this is one of the ways that I found that is super powerful. There's some massive newsletters right now that are using AI to generate millions and millions of dollars. Rundown is one that comes to mind right now. I know they do millions and millions in revenue. They use AI to do everything, and it is super powerful and super cool. So this is something that's happening right now. I'm using it to make money online, and I wanted to bring this to you because it's a very, very powerful way to make money. If you want to think about ways you could get newsletter subscribers, you could run Facebook ads, you could run Instagram ads, you could run X ads. If you wanted to spend the money to actually create, a fan base quickly, you could do it like that, or you could do what I do, which is just post on X. I just try to find things that are fun and viral on X. I've grown my account pretty quickly here. And so basically people sign up to my newsletter. I think I have like a little over 7,000 on one newsletter and like 8,000 on another newsletter. So when you do cool stuff on X, people notice and they do sign up. So that is one way to do it for free, or you could pay for ads to grow your newsletter. Now, the other thing you could do is actually create micro courses. So this is something that was a huge trend for a long time, which is basically creating courses and selling them online, right? So there's a really great example of someone named Miss Excel, and Miss Excel blew up on TikTok, basically just giving people Excel tips, right? So that was her whole deal. She gave people Excel tips, she made cute short videos, and then she started selling courses online. I'll show you her website real quick here so you can see what I'm talking about. So if we go to Miss Excel, she has made millions and millions of dollars from this. She literally sells these courses for a ton of money. She's got over 24,000 students. She sells them for, the accelerator course, $300, the complete Microsoft course, $1,000, $200. People pay for these, and they pay a lot of money. And so she does like nice video courses here, but you could actually use AI to do this whole process for you, right? You could have it create the module definitions for you. Then you could actually film the videos if you wanted. You could have AI do the videos for you. You could basically, automate this whole thing, or you could put in that extra effort to actually create the videos yourself with the guidance of AI and make money that way. And again, the way to sell it would either be social ads, you could use Google ads, or you could build a following online like she did, TikTok, X, Instagram, etc. And you could do this. Super powerful, and people are making millions and millions of dollars doing this already. So the next one I wanted to show you is TikTok. So there's actually a bunch of different ways to make money on TikTok. TikTok is the easiest way to grow a following online right now. It has the most viral potential. So I haven't dove too deep into TikTok myself, so I don't have a ton of firsthand experience, but I do have friends that have made a lot of money on TikTok. And essentially, you want to create a viral formula. So one thing that I like to do is try to find out what's the most viral thing happening right now. So you can see here in my prompt, I'm saying, help me identify trending topics and create 5 viral TikTok scripts based on this, right? You could either, go through one particular niche and try to find what's viral in that niche, or you could just try to find trending topics and go viral on TikTok. TikTok actually pays pretty well for videos. So if you actually start posting on TikTok, you can make money off the revenue of just people watching your videos, or you could sell sponsorship ads. Most of the people that I know that make money on TikTok, they sell ads on TikTok. I know a guy who's making over 100K a month doing AI stuff on TikTok. So basically he does AI content on TikTok. He gets sponsorships. They pay him boatloads of money to basically sponsor those. So going viral on these platforms is a big deal. TikTok is the easiest way to do it. And something like Grok can really help you find these trends, either, overall trends or in a certain niche. And then you can kind of filter that out and start working on these videos. They're not all going to go viral. It's not, it's not guaranteed easy money, but this is a great way to start making money online right now using this AI trend to get ahead and actually, stay ahead of the curve. Now, another way that I've made millions online, not only for myself, but for other companies using SEO. So essentially the way to do this is you can create these content farms to create, SEO content online and start going viral, right? So in the example here, I put TikTok growth strategies. I'm looking for trending topics, and basically we write content on these topics. You index that in Google, right? So if I go to Google and I type TikTok growth strategies, for example, we're going to find a bunch of websites that are doing this, right? So obviously Reddit is very, very big right now. So you're always going to be competing with Reddit in Google. You have TopTal. So TopTal's actually making money by just showing this blog post. But then you have Story Chief, Teachable, Later, Sprout Social. So, and all these people are basically no good, right? So these blogs, once you start getting traffic from Google, there's a ton of different ways you can make money online. You could sell courses. You could sign up newsletters. You could actually, sell services if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. Or you could just sell ads on your website, right? Which is another way to make money online. But growth to your website right now using AI to create this content is super powerful. And I actually created a tool called PostCheetah to do that. I'll put a link to that in the description below. PostCheetah, I actually have a 50% off right now if you want to try it out. Give it a shot. And this is a great way to make money online too. AI-powered SEO content farms. It still works really well. Don't let people tell you it doesn't work. AI SEO is massive right now and a great way to make money online. So here's a really interesting one. What that people are doing right now is they're actually using AI print on demand. So they're finding design trends online and they're using AI to create designs. So in this example, I'm using deep search to find some trending topics for me. And I'm taking those topics and then we could actually create designs using, GPT. We could use Midjourney. You could use Flux. You could use whatever you want to actually create the designs and then actually start putting those online and actually using stuff like Printify and things like that to actually come up with, products to sell online. So an interesting strategy that you could use. I know people that actually make a lot of money doing this as well. I know people that are making thousands online a month doing stuff like this. So a really cool, interesting strategy as well. You could use stuff like Etsy to sell it. If you didn't want to go through one of those websites, you could use Etsy, Redbubble, a bunch of different websites like that where you could sell these products. eBay, of course. So that's another cool strategy as well. Now, here's one that I've been noticing a lot of. So this is AI stock photography. So if I come over here to Google, right, and I type like alligator, actually, I'm going to say like angry woman or something, right? And I go to images. So you'll see a lot of these like Adobe stock, Dreams Time, Pexels, iStock, Getty Images, right? And they're selling these images online. Now, what I'm noticing is a ton of these are AI generated and people just don't know it. This is most likely an AI generated image here. This is most likely AI generated. And they're selling these images online. They want $300 to license this image. Now, the creators of these images get paid. So if you create an account on these websites and you create these images, you can get paid selling them. So as the creator, you'll get paid. Obviously, Getty Images and these other websites make money as well. But if you go and you create a ton of really popular images, right? So what I would recommend is using AI to find great ideas for these type of stock images, creating a bunch of the stock images. And then once you've created those stock images, posting them all over these websites and trying to sell them online. And there's definitely a ton of money to be made. I mean, I see it all the time. And I know people that pay these, that buy these all the time. And there's a huge, huge market for this right now. People don't want to have to figure out how to use AI to do this stuff, right? If I generate an angry woman image and they want to just pay me $5-10 for my image, they're going to do that. A great way to make money online right now. Now, here's another really interesting one. This is domain flipping. So this is a little bit more advanced. I have made a little bit of money doing this in the past. I've done stuff like going to GoDaddy and buying expired domains and flipping those. But what I'm finding is you can use AI to generate a ton of unique domain names and then doing a massive search on something like Namecheap or similar places, and you can find domains and then buy them and then either list them for sale or essentially wait for a buyer to come. Now you're going to, unless it's a really premium domain, you're going to wait a long time for that buyer to come. But if you list it online on places like like Flippa, and there's a million places to list your domains online. You can sell your domains and basically, have a huge portfolio of awesome domains and start making money like that. So use AI to find these undervalued domains that have not been registered yet, and then start registering those, and then create this huge portfolio of domains and then start flipping them. Now, I wouldn't recommend going huge into this. Start with really, really awesome ones that you think have the high potential to sell. Start trying it out, seeing if you get some momentum, making some money, and then going from there. And then maybe you can get to the more advanced strategies of actually buying existing domains and flipping those, etc. This goes really, really deep, but this is a great way to get your, dip your toes in the water if you're interested in this business model. Now, another one that I thought was cool is automated social media. So social media is still a huge way to make money online. Social media agencies are massive. They're still a huge thing. People still pay a ton of money to have social media, and AI has just made this so incredibly simple. So if you wanted to advertise a social media agency, again, you advertise on social media yourself, right? You could become a personality on social media. You could buy ads to do stuff like this. And then once you start getting clients, you could go knock on doors. That's what I did for many years, going knocking on doors, making phone calls, seeing, hey, do you have a social media person? Going locally, finding businesses, getting the business, and then using AI to help you do the work. So basically, you can come in here to Grok. So I asked for a content schedule for a local restaurant here. Essentially go in, take a bunch of pictures or have someone take pictures for you, and then create a content schedule. You can charge people $500 a month, $1,000 a month, just depends on, thousands per month, depends on how much work you're actually doing for them. But this is a great way to start making money online and having AI do a ton of this work for you. Now, this last one, I think has the potential to be absolutely massive. These are automated podcast networks. I've been seeing this pop up everywhere now lately, where people are talking about these AI generated podcasts where people are basically using AI avatars to create full podcasts. So we all know the podcast, business is absolutely massive. And I think that AI is going to start actually having a huge piece of this. So, people aren't going to listen to garbage. I would probably recommend writing the scripts for this stuff, or if you're going to use AI, really monitor the stuff that it writes. But you could use services like Hedra. You could use stuff like HeyGen to generate these avatars, and maybe use ChatGPT to create the image, then use Hedra or HeyGen to actually create these avatars, and then have these podcasts go up and start putting them out for a million different things, right? It could be health, could be wellness. I mean, it could be anything you can think of, right? Start creating these podcasts, put them online, see if you start getting traction. If you get traction, keep moving with that one, drop the rest. You could build up 10, 15, 20 of them, put them out there, see which ones start to take off, focus on those, and then get really good, keep making them better and better and better, build out your niche, start selling ads on those, endless amounts of revenue potential there. So those are some of the creative ideas that I had came up with for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, more ways to make money online using AI, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about these ideas. Do you think they're going to make you money online? Do you think this is a fad that's going to go away? I'd love to hear what you have to say.